immigrants. Welcome to the World Cup in Brazil. We tried our best to prepare the country for your arrival. Unfortunately, this is the best our leaders were able to do. But we are committed to trying our best. We are welcome and cheerful. We want you to feel at home here. We want you to have a great experience. So please, watch out for your personal belongings. Unfortunately, there are still criminals in Brazil, even with good employment opportunities. But worse than these criminals on the streets are those in our executive and legislative branches. Corruption without punishment is a major problem in Brazil, and the majority of Congress is comfortable that way. But we want a better Brazil, and you can help us. Share with us what you have learned as a nation. Please help us spread the importance of voting for capable and moral candidates. We will have elections this year, and it's time for us to put great people in the government. Nowadays, good politicians are the minority, and that is why our country is not the way we'd like to welcome you. With your help, we can make Brazil a better place.